Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping. Clean, slightly damp hair gives control and prevents frizz. Once primed, make large sections to avoid rework, clip them away. Now, take a 1-2-inch working subsection and apply a small amount of cream or gel along the strand to increase hold. Make a clear 1/4 part with your tool so twists start neat. As you work, keep tension consistent. Too loose and the lock won't form, too tight and it will stress the scalp. You now create the lock by twisting 2 even strands with steady tension. Twist away from the scalp and then roll toward the scalp to encourage the fiber to coil and mat. Once a twist is formed, palm roll each section every 1-2 twists to compact hair and stimulate locking. Make sure to remove excess product as you go. Build up slows locking. If the twist loosens, retwist immediately while damp. Then palm roll again to set the pattern and maintain a tidy formation. You finish by thoroughly drying each lock. Air dry or use a low-heat hood dryer to set the twist and reduce frizz. Once dry, palm roll regularly and separate any fused roots every 2-4 weeks to prevent large congos. If a twist unravels, dampen slightly, add a pea-sized amount of product, retwist with consistent tension, then palm roll to compact. Make sure to avoid heavy creams or nightly friction. A satin scarf helps. With routine maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.